VIYAAN Rangani, and I'm gonna play a fun game with you called the Game of Sound. Before we begin, what is sound? The music we hear, the voices of our loved one, and even annoying sounds like our neighbor using his drill machine. All reach us through vibrations that travel to air, water, and even solid balls. These vibrations are called sound waves. Our game today is based on a topic in sound called frequency, which is the total number of sound waves produced in 1 second. It is measured in hertz. Human beings should be able to hear sounds between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz. But can they? Let's find out in our game. Let me introduce you to the participant. Participant 1 is me. Participant number 2 is my father. Participant number 3 is my grandfather. I will be playing a sound featuring multiple frequencies. As soon as you stop hearing it, raise your hand. Okay? Let's begin the Game of Sound! One of the most common types of hearing loss is caused by aging. For many people, high frequency sound become harder to hear as their age progresses. This happens as the tiny sensory hearing cells in the inner ear are damaged. Through loud and extended noise exposure, strong antibiotics, certain diseases, and of course, the natural decline